Hello. A little bit irritatingly, earlier on today I managed to knock that saw over and it broke its handle, which is a shame because it's a very nice saw. It's a Marples brass back saw with a cast steel blade. That's a very nice blade, it's got a very tight set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it. It broke along somewhere where it was originally glued. The plan is this: I'm going to drill a hole in there with a harpoon bit to take a dowel. I've got some 8mm dowel rod here. In order to get that hole to go down there and go down there straight, I'm going to go and tape it up first with a bit of insulating tape. Let's go and do this. Then I'm going to ram a dowel into it. But is glue it and dowel it. Let me show you what we mean. Okay, so if I just push that together, how it's supposed to be. Wrap lots of tape around here to hold it while I drill it. That tape doesn't want to stick to that, I might have to get some other tape. Masking tape would probably work better. Okay, so now what I need to do is carefully aim, drill down there. So I'm going to mount this like this. I'm doing this by eye. I'm aiming to get it down through the meat of the handle. And I'm not going to be putting a great deal of pressure on, I'm just going to be pushing it gently. And I reckon that so I can get the drill in a bit deeper. Keep that pressed together. Oh bugger, I've managed to drop out of it there. Right. Made a boo-boo, bit of an oopsie. You can see I've come through the back there, but that's okay because the dowel will go in deep enough that it goes past that. I will need to sand that off later. So now what I need to do is cut the dowel to the length I went in there by less a little bit, which will be that much. I've already got a pencil mark there. And that's a nice saw, we'll use that. order to get that dowel in, I could do with, you could sand over the edge. I happen to have a pencil sharpener that will take it. So now I can ram that in like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is take that apart, glue it, and then clamp it together. As I'm using nasty polyurethane glue, put on the nasty polyurethane glue gloves. Right. Okay, you can see I missed where I needed to be. Never mind. If I could do that again, I'd take a bit more time. Spread a layer out here. Right then. Stuffed it in there. Enough glue on there? Yes, I think I've got enough glue on there. Sorry about here. Have a wood mallet. Put that down. Try and rest that somewhere so I can get that started off. Oh, I managed to break a bit off the bottom there, that was irritating. Right, now I'm just going to drive that together with a clamp. I can glue that bit on the bottom later, it's only decorative. That dowel should go most of, if not all the way down. And last but not least, I'm just going to wipe off the excess glue. That glue is really horrid. And that I'm just feeling around to make sure that it's nice and home. So I have to come out and wipe that off again a few times. And there we have it. So we'll glue that little bit on, and then I might tack it in with a nail gun. But I shall do that later. Let me find a little bit of handle. Anyway, hopefully that's been of use. I should have really aimed for more central down there, that would have been better. But that's a nice tight fitting dowel. See, that handle will glue up nicely. And here it is, after the glue's gone off. I haven't attached that bit on again yet. I will do at some point. I'm not quite sure about the best way of doing that, so that it stays there. It's not important. Always happens. I might just put a little bit of polyurethane glue on that and just press it on and then tape it up with masking tape. But there it is. I think I will do because it'll make it more comfortable to hold. I will have to go and cut that off at some point, but it's only cosmetic. But let's just give it a try. I'm just going to go and you can see there, incidentally, why it's a nice saw. Relatively little tear out, and it cuts a very nice straight line. Apart from when I went through the end too quickly. But that's what's nice about that saw. That's a nice bit of sapele, or a bit of sapele there. The saw is fixed. Quite a straightforward job. You have to be careful when you're drilling the dowel in. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.